Morning class. We are talking about hands-on activities with mini lessons and follow-up. Hands-on activities are those that let students manipulate or experiment with the relationship of items. They can be creative in the concepts being taught instead of just reading about them. Hands-on activities in the science classroom allow for students to be curious and use tangible things to make sense of the content being taught. It helps them develop social skills and the confidence to work independently to try and figure stuff out instead of always having somebody there helping them with every move. They can just learn to work through stuff. Now, as an example would be if you're teaching a science unit on the 6 simple machines, you would probably provide an overview of those 6 things with pictures and then just let them gather items from either at home or around the classroom if you happen to have them, which you should, and let them experiment with how all those things interact. And um, the Edunovia says that, as a teacher, you want to make sure and either provide mini lessons or follow up when doing this because you can't just turn them loose and expect them to understand the entire concept with it. So you want to go to each group or each child and just talk through, say, hey, what if you move this lever this way? Then what does it do? Does it change various items that they're working through? But it's also, sorry, you want to ensure that they are totally grasping the entire concept. So you can't just turn them loose. You have to actually follow through with them. Thank you.